Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, um, today is Wednesday. Unfortunately, I didn't get an opportunity to throw up any footage because I was moving around and doing a lot yesterday. I did still move a lot of different items that I had in the back that you may not have previously seen in any of the videos that I put out or put reviews out on. Okay. This is more of specialty tools and equipment, you know what I'm saying, basically that I have. So as you can see, later on this evening I will be going to my storage so that you can get a bird's eye view of some things that you may have possibly missed yesterday. Okay, but at the prior moment, what I'm going to do is first I'll get up over here. As you already know, I already basically upgraded to the master set of the snap-on tap and die set, but I also already had another tap and die set. All the pieces is actually there. It's just basically the case was moved around a lot, so the pieces fell out of place. But this is a complete set. More enough, I may discard this set and throw it on Craigslist or eBay or something like that. Okay, so get over here. As you can see, matter of fact, let me get it up here. It's kind of heavy. As you can see, the toolbox is a Napa toolbox. Okay, this is more specialty tools, you know, pullers, C-clamps, and things of that nature. Everything is all USA made. Okay. Uh, as you can see, this is OTC. Part number is 7249. As you can see here, have some older make caster camber tools. It's OTC. Part number 7029 here. Okay. More enough, these are more used for older make model vehicles and individuals who do old muscle cars and stuff like that. So these particular items right here I don't use anymore. I may put these on Craigslist or eBay, or if somebody out there who could use them, scream at me, and we could work out something. Okay, as you can see, it out. Okay, your pullers and so on and so forth. It's really technically don't need for me to basically go through this whole box, because it's just all heavy, specialty equipment. Okay. All right, so moving along, let me get this box out the way because it is quite heavy. Whoa. Okay, so now what you're taking a look at is a MOOG spring compressor right here. This is a more rare set right here, as you can see. Okay, have everything, bullets, plates. They have other versions out there, that can do the job a whole lot much more easier now. More than likely, some people and a lot of vehicles now is just having a whole assemblies replace springs and struts. But when you don't have that, it's best to have a tool that is like this, or a Mac Pearson strut spring compressor to remove the springs. Okay. Okay, what you're taking a look at here, if it'll focus in, this is a MOOG, part number T412, made in the USA. Okay. let's see what we got back here. Everybody loves nice big wrenches. Okay. As you can see, this is a Craftsman's USA made. See if this will focus in properly for you. Okay. As you can see, I don't have a tape measure with me at the moment because I have it in my tool cart. But you can see basically length on the wrench there. Okay. Just have some other essentials. I'm still getting out a lot of things at the prior moment. Down here, as you can see, is a light, key gun, things of that nature. Over here, have test fuel kits. Okay. So nothing too crazy at the moment. Later on this evening, when I get to my storage, you'll be able to get a little bird's eye view and a bird's eye look at, you know, what's really in place. Okay. So until then, I'll check you later. Everybody enjoy your day out there. Later on, I will be putting up another review before I actually go to my storage, because I'm supposed to receive a couple of packages today. So you're gonna get a bird's eye view look at that also. Possibly I may put out another 2 videos throughout the period of the day. Okay, so stay tuned for those. And until the next one, I'm gonna check you later. Peace.